Today is not pollution and bad breath. It's black people. It's black people. See, that's just one of the big lies that America tells you and that you go for because you chunk.
Yeah, that's H. Rap Brown. You know, some people know him by Alameen these days in time. Great Black Panther brother that was speaking. I come today, just got through talking to some of my family, my mother, my sister, and my brother. Some people would call him my brother-in-law, but I don't do the in-law, because that's automatically a strike. It is, man, I don't even kick it with that dude, but that's my brother. Anyway, I just begin to tell them about myself, of how I act, you know, the reason why I do what I do. Because, you know, I just trying to do something different than what I once have done. Sell dope, you know, whatever you want to classify, rob people, manipulate people. Right now, man, the only thing I really want to do is educate people. Educating from a standpoint what I feel like gonna be important, you know, because I've lived a certain lifestyle, and yeah, getting money, you know. Hey, everybody want to get some money, man. Like, everybody want to be able to take care of themselves. But the truth matter of it all, man, we gotta do better than what we've been doing. We gotta see better than what we've been seeing. I be sitting down, you know, try to, you know, really come to grips with what true humanity really means. You know, what it's been one of humanitarian, you know what I mean, to be represented as one who was a true humanitarian. I say this here, that you live and you learn, you grow and you mature. And as you go through your journey or your process, your whatever you want to classify, you give back, you know. Right now, you know, only thing I can give back is my voice. Only thing I can give back is my understanding of things. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it to the people how I see, how I understand. You know, some people going to agree. Majority of the people. You know, all of the people pretty much going to agree. But it's going to be some of those who rebel and buck, you know, because they doing their thing. But like I said, I ain't here to prejudge nor judge. I'm just here to give to you like I was giving, you know. And it's about my experience of life. You know, I can tell you about money, I can tell you about women, I can tell you about cars, I can tell you about clothes. Psh, hey, so many doing that. I'm just trying to tell you about, you know, humanity as a whole. Because we suffering, man. We suffering in America, all across the globe. You can call yourself an African American, well, I don't care. I really could care less what you call yourself. You know, but it's about being a productive individual in this world as a whole, man. And actually, man, we so selfish and caught up in our own cravings or selfishness and destroying each other. It don't make no sense. You know, we want to distort this and distort that, and you know, come on, man. There's so much more room for all of us to excel. You know, and the reason why it's so much warring going on, because the people's been so busy allowing themselves to be dictated. You know what I mean? To be misguided. It's like, you know, the great Tupac Shakur say, "Oh, you want to fight your war? What I'm fighting for? Cause we pledge allegiance to a flag? Man, stop. You feel what I'm saying? I pledge allegiance to a flag. I supposed to be pledging allegiance to you, man. I supposed to be pledging allegiance to the oppressed. You know what I mean? Really, we know that we supposed to pledge allegiance to a higher power. But I'm not going to get caught up in that. You feel what I'm saying? Because a lot of people, you know, they can't even conceive a thought of a higher power. Because their only higher power is materialism. So I'm going to try to utilize materialistic things to show you a better understanding of how you can maneuver so that you can have what you want to have instead of just being a walking billboard. Nike good. You know, everybody want to, you know, wear nice clothes, but get paid for wearing somebody else's clothes. Don't just, you know, go buy somebody else's clothes and you be a walking billboard advertising for free. You pay to advertise somebody else's stuff. But what I'm trying to say in our attitude, Man, we gotta start being our own independent people as a whole. I don't care if you stay in Russia, I don't care if you stay in China, I don't care what continent you stay on, and I really don't care what set you claim. Because you need to start representing for yourself. And that's just how it is, man. We say we men, but actually, are we? You feel what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong being down with somebody else. Okay, yeah, it's good to have a team. But when you gonna become a general? When you gonna put yourself in a position so that you can educate? You feel what I'm saying? When you gonna become a figurehead? You feel what I'm saying? Cause in a true organization, yeah, I might be the CEO, but I got other head figures. You understand? You feel what I'm saying? And as a man, when you gonna take time to venture out on your own? You understand? Cause that what we supposed to do. We supposed to venture out on our own. And then a lot of times, you know what I mean, we don't. Cause we so busy, you know, we so used to being dictated. You know what I mean? We so used to being led by somebody else. And we scared to venture out on our own. Man, you know, I don't want to break the cipher. But it don't make you a person that's not real because you stray away from your crew. Okay, yeah, this is my crew, but it's some other thing that I need to do outside of my crew so that I can bring my crew up to speed. And so if my crew don't want me to bring excel beyond the position that you want to place me in, then are you really my partner? You see what I'm saying? So you can't always be dictated by somebody talking about, well, you know, man, we got these codes that we live by. I feel you got code that you live by. You feel what I'm saying? But check this out. If the code that you live by gonna stagnate the growth of your brother, you feel what I'm saying? That's just like, you know, if you got a crew, somebody need to do something that gonna better that crew. You feel what I'm saying? If you want to be a doctor lawyer, let that man be a doctor lawyer. Not saying that, you know, your crew hold you back, but I'm just saying that just, you know, just life. If I get into political understandings of things, you feel what I'm saying? Okay, if I wake up, you feel what I'm saying, and come into a truth, should I not be an individual that awakens somebody else to that truth? Or should I just keep it to myself and just eat off you because you don't know the truth? No, I shouldn't eat off you. Because, you know, if I'm the oppressed, you feel what I'm saying, and then I learn how to, you know, strengthen myself so I don't be oppressed no more. Why I'm gonna oppress my brother that was oppressed with me? Come on, man. We already know that ain't how it go. That ain't real, man. You feel what I'm saying? So a lot of times, you know, when people talk about I'm real, you real what? You know what I mean? Really, you know, you gotta tell them what you really are. You feel what I'm saying? You just can't say you real, cause you can be real anything. And that's how I kick it. You feel what I'm saying? Don't come telling me, you know, I'm real. Okay, yeah, you real what? Cause you can be real anything. You can be a real snake, you can be a real fake. You can be real about what you talking about. You feel what I'm saying? But what real you coming from? You know, you got, you know, put something with that. You just can't give me this, I'm real. You feel what I'm saying? But anyway, I really just trying to come to you, know what I mean, give it to you like it's supposed to be given to you, man. Because all I can do is do what I do. And this is what I do. Now, I speak to the people. You know, my main thing, educate people, bring to awareness, man. You know, raise the bar, as some people would say. You know what I mean? Bring my people up to speed. Because we ain't got to limit ourselves just because other people want to limit us. We ain't got to keep on living up other people's statistics when we can start setting standards. That's all I'm saying. I don't care nothing about you a rapper, you a football player, you know, you a dope dealer. I ain't talking about that. All I'm saying, raise the bar. Because there's so much more that we can do. You feel what I'm saying? That's all I'm saying, brother. And, you know, as I say, man, this bitch certified legendary. You know, signing in, now I'm signing out. So you know what I'm gonna do. You know what it is.